Shinshin. Ah? Walang spicy chicken, kaya kinonvert ko lang ng Happy Meal kasi gusto ng anak mo tatlo. Bira lang tayong kumain sa McDonald's. Shinshin have many toys.
I will open it a little.
What's that? May scan it, kunin mo. Wow! Eh.
Scanin na po.
Wow, Shinshin know to open na.
This one not tattoos. Tattoos.
This one, the cactus.
Daddy, watermelon.
That's Daddy's toy, anak. That's Daddy's toy. Thank you, anak. That's yours. It's your cactus.
That's mine. That's your favorite.
Friend.
Watermelon.
Next time again, we will buy the
Watermelon, wala na, ubus.
No.
Don't remove that, we play at the cellphone. Look, we scan it. Shinshin, are you happy? Shinshin, are you happy? Huh? Why you look like that? You're going to birthday party. And then what you do at birthday party?